Jy kan selfs 'n boerboelmodel huis toe vat.
I want to please order 2 boerboels. What? 2 boerboels.
Hierdie is die Colab. Wat julle nooit geweet het, julle kort nie.
Match made in heaven.
I want to order 2 boerboels.
What's that?
That KFC and boerboel clothing not collab now. Janie and Wayne, they say when I lick my fingers, I will taste it. I want 2 boerboels.
I don't know what's that then.
Where's your manager, Colin? Magoma, Janie and Wayne said I can come order 2 boerboels here at KFC because yes, 2 because one won't be able to handle me. I need 2. Now I'm very hungry. No, not the boereboels. Boerboel clothing, they did the collaboration with KFC, so they said I can come order 2 boerboels here. Not the boerewors. Boerboel, you know when you taste, lick your fingers, you taste it.
Lip, lekker.
It's finger licking good.
Ek weet nie, ek proe dit nie.